Good morning, student. Welcome to all of you in the home mentoring session from the SD Vidya School. Now we will start with the exercise 6.2, the question number 1. As I already explained you the BPT theorem and the converse of BPT theorem, on the basis of this result we have to solve this exercise. So let's start with the question number 1. In the question number 1, there is a figure. This is given that ABC is a triangle and here DE is parallel to BC. That is already given, and what we have to find out, we have to find out the value of EC in the first figure and value of AD in the second figure. So let me start with the first figure. This is the figure. AD is 1.5 and DB is 3 centimeter. AE is 1 centimeter and we have to find out the value of EC. So how can we find it out? As all of you know that DE is parallel to BC, that is given. So by the BPT theorem, AD upon DB, that will be equal to AE upon EC. So we have a value of AD, that is 1.5, the value of DB, that is 3, the value of AE is 1 and the EC is, we have to find out. Now after cross multiplication we get this 3 upon 1.5. We will remove this point and we will put down the 0 and that will be equal to 2. This is very easy question. So EC is equal to 2 centimeter. I hope that all of you get clear. This is very easy and simple question. Let me come on the question number 2. In the question number 2, E and F are the point on PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Now in this question I will take the third part. So first of all, I just show you the figure. This is a triangle PQR and here the given is that the value of PQ that is equal to 1.28 and the value of PR that is equal to 2.56 centimeter and value of PE that is 0.18. If this is 0.18, so by subtracting 1.28 minus 0.18 we can get 1.1. So the value of EQ, we get that 1.1. So EQ is equal to PQ minus PE and that is equal to 1.28 minus 0.18 and that is equal to 1.1 centimeter. In the similar way, we have the value of PR and the value of PF, that is 0.36. So we can find out the value of FR. So in the similarly, we can find out the value of FR, that is 2.2 centimeter. Now we have to check that EF is parallel to QR. If the ratios are same, it means that these are parallel. If the ratios are not same, it means that these are not parallel. So how can we do that? Yes, we will apply the formula that PE upon EQ that is equal to 0.18 upon 1.1 and after solving that we get the 9 by 55. This is equation 1. Now the second equation, PF upon FR. So that is equal to 0.36 upon 2.2. So 36 upon 220 and this is also equal to 9 by 55. If we take the two equation, it means that both of them are equal. If both of them are equal, their ratios are equal, it means that these lines are parallel to each other by the converse of BPT theorem. So EF is parallel to QR. So in this way we can do this question. Let me come on the question number 4. Now the question number 4, in figure 6.19, this is the figure we have. There is given the triangle ABC is here and DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Now we have to prove that BF upon FE that is equal to BE upon EC. This we have to prove. So let me start with this question. So now I already told you ABC is a triangle and these two conditions are given and this we have to prove. So first of all we have to take the triangle ABE and this is given DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. So if these two lines are parallel, it means that by the BPT theorem, their ratio will be equal. Listen it carefully. This one triangle these two are parallel, their ratio will be equal. So by the BPT, BF upon FE, that is equal to BD upon DA. I hope that all of you get clear this. This is the first equation. Now we will take the triangle ABC. Now the second condition, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. It means that this one line is divide the whole triangle. So the ratio of this one is equal to the ratio of this. So BE upon EC, that is equal to BD upon DA. So this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we can find out this one is same in both of them. So this will also be equal. So BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. So this is the proof of this question. Hence proof. Now let me come on the next question, that is a question number 6. This is an important question. Let's see that. In the question number 6, in figure 6.21, this is the figure 6.21, A, B, C are the point on OP, OQ and OR. Respectively, AB is parallel to PQ and the AC is parallel to PR. And we have to show that BC is parallel to QR. जब भी हमें पैरेलल की कंडीशन गिवन है तो हम वो ट्रायंगल चेक कर लेंगे कि किस में गिवन है, सो देन वी कैन अप्लाई द बीपीटी. अगर हम पहली वाली पैरेलल की कंडीशन देखते हैं दैट बीपी इज पैरेलल टू पीक्यू, तो हमारा ट्रायंगल ये वाला क्रिएट होगा. सेकेंड कंडीशन हमें दी हुई है कि एसी हमारा पैरेलल है पीआर के, तो हमारा नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल ये वाला क्रिएट होगा. एंड दिस वन वी हैव टू प्रूव, ये हमें कंडीशन प्रूव करनी है. तो अगर हमें बी सी को क्यू आर के पैरेलल करना है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट द ओ बी अपॉन बी क्यू दैट इज इक्वल टू ओ सी अपॉन सी आर. तो हम ये ईजिली प्रूव कर पाएंगे कि दीज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर बाय द कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी. आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट कि हमें करना क्या है. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. ये हमें गिवन है पी क्यू आर इज अ ट्राइंगल, O is a point and that join the point P, Q and R. A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR, and AB is parallel to PQ and the AC is parallel to PR, and we have to prove this. Fine. Let me construct. We will join BC. हमने ये BC लाइन को join कर दिया. Now let me take the triangle OPQ. OPQ, as I already told you कि इसमें हमारी ये दोनों लाइनें पैरेलल हैं, तो हमने ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले लिया. इफ दीज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल तो ये रेशो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, सेम. सो बाय द बीपीटी PA अपॉन AO दैट इज इक्वल टू QB अपॉन OC. दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. नाउ अब हमारा नेक्स्ट ट्राइंगल कौन सा होगा, यस OPR, क्योंकि ये हमें गिवन है. तो इन द ट्राइंगल OPR AC is parallel to PR, this is given. So by BPT, PA upon AO that will be equal to CR upon OC. This will be the equation number 2. Now from first and second, अगर हम दोनों इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करते हैं अब, तो हमारे पास क्या रिजल्ट आता है. ये हमारी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है, ये हमारी सेकेंड है. दिस वन इज सेम इन बोथ ऑफ देम, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल QB अपॉन BO दैट इज इक्वल टू CR अपॉन OC. अगर मैं इस ट्राइंगल के अंदर देखती हूँ तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, QB अपॉन BO दैट इज इक्वल टू OC अपॉन CR. थोड़ा सा इंटरचेंज आ रहा है बट वी विल अरेंज दैम. हम इनको तो उल्टा कर लेंगे. तो QB अपॉन BO दैट इज इक्वल टू CR अपॉन OC. बाय द कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT इट मीन इज दैट BC इज पैरेलल टू QR. ये हमारा हो जाएगा. तो ये हमारा सिंपल easily sort out हो गया by the BPT theorem. I hope that all of you get clear this concept. So this is a hence proof. Same आ गया हमारा. Okay, let me come on the next question. Now the question number 9. That is also very important question for the board point of view. The question number 9 is that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Now we have to show that AO upon BO, that is equal to CO upon DO. So let me see that how can we do that. First of all, we will draw a figure. Now in the figure there is a trapezium, that is ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. This is given here. The diagonal AC and BC intersect at point O. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that AO upon OB, BO and the CO upon DO, these two are equal. Let me construct O. From O we will draw a point E, that is on AD, and that OE is parallel to AB. So this is the construction we had done. So let me take the triangle ADC. हमने पहले ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले लिया, ये और ये लाइन हमारे पास क्या है, पैरेलल है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जब ये लाइन हमने इसके साथ पैरेलल ली है एंड दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस, इट मीन इज दैट दीज थ्री लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. It is very easy concept. These three lines will be parallel to each other as EO is parallel to AB and the AB is parallel to DC. So OE is also parallel to DC. So according to BPT, we can write down EA upon ED, that is equal to AO upon OC. Now let me take the another triangle जिसमें हमारी ये वाली line आ रही हो and the triangle is ABD. ये ध्यान रखना है कि हमें ये लाइन ज़रूर लेनी है, हम कोई और ट्राइंगल ना ले लें. तो ABD हमने ट्राइंगल ले लिया. OE is parallel to AB. So again by the BPT, EA upon ED, that will be equal to BO upon OD. Now from the first and second we will compare them and we can find out this result. Now let me interchange that, क्योंकि हमें रिजल्ट में ये चाहिए. तो AO upon OB हम यहाँ लिख देंगे, OC हम वहाँ कर देंगे. वी जस्ट क्रॉस कर देंगे, इनको इंटरचेंज करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट अवर रिजल्ट एंड दिस इज द रिजल्ट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो हेंस proved. I hope that all of you get clear this concept. Thank you student, and rest of the questions you have to do it yourself. This is a homework for all of you. Thank you student, and have a nice day.